All right.
Oh, I'm gonna laugh, but yeah.
Yeah. I'm here. Who am I here with? I knew your name. I just
Yeah.
wanted you to introduce yourself.
Yep. So hi, I'm Nic Ellis from Noble Roots.
Thanks for having me out. So, Nick, tell us a little bit about Noble Roots. What's your niche? What do you guys do?
Yeah. So with our business, we started out with just a truck or two, going around cutting some lawns and servicing Cobourg and Port Hope.
So you're doing maintenance as well as hardscaping.
Yeah.
Okay.
So a lot of our business, half of our business, I'd say, is committed to the condominium world. When it comes to grass, gardens, trees, tree planting, and all the maintenance stuff with snow removal. So we started with interlock, which turned into a lot of armor stone, retaining walls, small stuff, and into large scale stuff. And now we're installing pools to who knows what.
What's your background?
I was actually a carpenter.
Okay.
So I was in carpentry for 9 years before I got into landscaping. Yeah.
What did we do here today?
Today we applied the new product that we've never used, which was a nitro product.
Yep. What'd you think of it?
I thought it worked. It worked really well.
It was a good install. You know?
Yeah. Well, thanks for your help with
A
it.
lot of fun learning new products.
And it's like us, the same thing. I mean, this product we've never used before, so I appreciate you coming out and showing us, exactly how it should be done, and not just me, but a couple of guys that are working with us to make sure we nail it. And it's always fun to learn different things, new things. You're definitely never too old to learn a
Try a
new
new trick.
So.
So you've been using Dibbits for a few years now.
Yep.
And I'm not your guy. Andy's your guy.
Yeah.
Andrew Pedersen.
Yeah.
You know, the South African, the resident
right.
South African Canadian.
That's
He's
right.
got his Canadian citizenship.
Yeah, does he?
But he's
That's
kept
good.
the accent.
Yeah, it's a good accent.
He takes good care of you, I gather.
He does. He actually does. Nothing bad to say about Andy. He works good with us, and I mean Dibbits as a whole. We've been working with these for about 3 years now.
Okay.
This is our third season, and we've dealt with other landscape suppliers, and with Dibbits, you don't feel like a number. They don't seem to mind whether you spend $100 or you spend $100,000. You get treated equally, and that goes as far as their truck drivers handing out Gatorades
Right.
on a hot day,
Yeah.
just to remembering your name. When guys, Dibbits guys come on site, they don't just want to know my name; they want to know our workers' names and some of our employees' names, and they get to know, they like to get to know you and your company and what your needs are. So it's a lot different. It's a lot different than anything else I've ever experienced that way with suppliers.
That's cool. I mean, I used to sell to Dibbits as a manufacturer rep back in the day, and I saw that too.
Yeah.
I saw walking in the doors, and I was doing business with them, but I saw how they interacted with their customers, and I don't know, it seems like a breath of fresh air in there. I know I sound biased because I work there and stuff, but I mean...
But it is. There's days where I could send a guy up to go get material, but I might move my schedule around just so I can come up to Dibbits and just stick my head in the window and,
We're trying
make
to
a comment here
We're
and
trying
there.
to manage Andrew's time.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. For us, we're super fortunate to have a bunch of good people, girls and guys, that are working with us, and we all try to instill that in each other and just work as a group and work as a team. And Dibbits is, that same thing. So it's nice to work with another, supplier that's the same. So
That's nice. I appreciate that. I'm tearing up.
there you go. I get paid for this interview, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
I'll
perfect.
give you some polymerics there.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right.
Now let's enjoy the weekend.
Yes, let's do that.
That was the toughest part of the job, was the interview.
That is. Yeah, 100%. It always is.
All right.